Anyway, guys, let's try to understand today's concept is already in the previous session we have done how to create a record using JSP with database. Today's session we shall try to understand how to delete a record from database using JSP. That means today's concept is deleting a record. D for delete, guys. CURD operations. In the CURD operations, C for create completed, and the UR we shall see later. Before that, I'm trying to say about delete. Deleting a record from database. Okay. For this work, what I'm trying to do is I'm creating one HTML form, delete employee form.html, and to interact with the database, delete employee.jsp. D for delete employee.jsp. D for delete employee form.html. Right. Let's try to do this case. Now, first the client sends the request for request one. Sends the request for which one, guys? Delete employee form dot.
HTML.
When he sends a request, as a part of response one will get like this. One text box. ఎలా అండి రెస్పాన్స్ ఇలా వస్తుంది ఎలా ఎలా వస్తుంది రెస్పాన్స్ చెప్పండి ఒక ఇన్పుట్ బాక్స్ ఎంప్లాయ్ నెంబర్ ఒక టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ అండ్ సబ్మిట్ బటన్ విత్ వాల్యూ delete guys. This is how I'll get the response when a client sends a request for ఇలా రిక్వెస్ట్ సెండ్ చేసినప్పుడు సర్వర్ ఎలా రెస్పాన్స్ ఇచ్చిందండి ఇలా ఇచ్చేసింది ఓకేనా ఇక్కడ వరకు నా దిస్ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ నేమ్ ఈస్ ఫర్ సపోజ్ EMPNO. This is our sketch case. Okay. Now there is a submit button with value delete. Now what is the duty of delete, guys? Just check the MySQL database. Okay, password root. Okay, use home database. Select star from employee table. There is one record, 101 record, guys. Now I want to delete this 101 record, guys. For that, what the program what the user will do? The user will enter some number like 101. After entering employee number, he'll click on the delete button. When you click on the delete button, the Tomcat container, sorry, the browser sends a request to the server. This acts like a Chapalandi. This acts like which request?
Request to.
Request to two. Request. Now what will happen internally? Now this HTML form internally triggers one JSP, guys. Internally. ఈ HTML ఫామ్ సబ్మిట్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసిన వెంటనే ఎవరిని హిట్ చేస్తుందండి ఒక జేఎస్పిని హిట్ చేస్తుంది అంటే ట్రిగ్గర్ చేస్తుంది జేఎస్పి ఏ జేఎస్పి సార్ delete employee.jsp. What is the first task of this JSP? Very simple, guys. Capture the data. Capture the data provided in form. Of course, we know that all the data provided in the form will be present as a part of which object, guys, please? Request object. Second, connect to database. Third step, okay, based on the employee number, delete the record.
Performed.
Delete the record from database. Fourth step, display or dispatch a message to JSP, guys. Sorry, to client. Now these are the four tasks performed by whom, guys? Yes, whom, guys?
JSP file.
Now after performing, the JSP will give some reply to the second as a second response. It gives some reply, guys. This acts like a response to, RESP to, response to. This gives a message. What is that message is? Record, one record deleted or zero records deleted based on our work. Clear or any doubt guys, please? మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా. We'll get the response in the fresh browser. Now, shall we go for understanding all these concepts, guys, please? With practically. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Go to Eclipse. Right click on this EMS. Click on New, Other. Select HTML file. Click on Next. The HTML form name I'm writing as delete employee form.html. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Yes. Here I'm giving the HTML form name as delete employee record, delete employee. Here, as you know, that form tag, what is the tag I need to create? Form tag. As a part of form tag, how many attributes will be there? Method is equal to I'm writing as post, and action is equals to, it should call a JSP. What is the name of this JSP? Already we explained. What is the name of this JSP?
DMP, dot JSP.
D employee dot JSP. So when we click on the delete button, it should call dmp.jsp. So what I'm writing is action is equals to dmp.jsp forward slash, then form tag close. Here, in between the form tags, we need to decide what is the form we want to create. One text, one label, and one text box. For that label, I'm writing as employee number input type is equals to text. Simply I can write as name is equals to, what is the name? Whatever you write, it will be acts like that. Now already in the diagram, I treated as employee number. So here also I'm giving as employee number. Here also I'm giving as employee number. Then break, guys. As you know that after this label and text box, I want to get one submit button with value delete. So what I'm trying to write is input type is equals to text. Name is no need of name, guys. Directly go for value. The value is, what is the value I'm writing? Please, please. What is the value?
So input type submit కదా sir.
Input type is equal to submits. Right, right. Input type is equals to submit. Value is equals to, what is the value, guys? Delete
Delete.
forward slash, then break, guys. This is the end of the HTML form. Please save it, guys. Save it. Control S. Control S. After saving, Control S, guys. Control S. After saving, go for right click on EMS. Right, I repeat again. After HTML form, we need what HTML form triggers which, guys? JSP file. So we need to write the JSP file. So right click on EMS, new, okay, other JSP file. Click on next. Demployee.jsp, guys. Click on next. ఫినిష్. సార్ రెండు చూడడానికి రెండు సేమ్ నేమ్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటున్నారు, జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. ఇదేమో ఎంప్లాయ్ ఫామ్, ఎఫ్ఆర్ ఫామ్ అని ఇచ్చాను. ఇది డైరెక్ట్ గా డి ఎంప్లాయ్ అని ఇచ్చానండి, ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్ లేదు. ఓకేనా, రైట్. హియర్ ప్లీజ్ రైట్. ఓకే, నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్. అదర్వైజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ రైట్ ఇట్, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ డిలీట్ దిస్, జస్ట్ దిస్ ఈస్ అ జేఎస్పీ పేజ్. ఓకే, delete record or delete employee. Here in the scriptlet code, I need to write in the scriptlet code. What is the first step, guys? Please. Scriptlet code చూసి చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఏంటి స్క్రిప్ట్లెట్ కోడ్ ఏం రాయాలి ఫస్ట్? capture the data provided in form. Now your request is an implicit object in scriptlet. Request అనేది implicit object. కార్డులు ఎలా రాయాలి? Int age is assigned with integer dot parseInt
Part
of request dot get
get parameter.
of get parameter of what is our variable name given in the here? What is the label field name we are given here?
Employee
Employee number. So you please write it as employee number. And this is not only said here. Actually, as per our program, this is employee number, right? This employee number I'm writing here in the demo.jsp. ఓకే అక్కడ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ ఫామ్ లో ఈ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్ ఏది ఉంటే అండి టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ కి ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్ ఏది ఉంటే అది రాయాలి. ఈ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్ ఉంది, ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ రాస్తున్నాను. దెన్ గైస్ దెన్ వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ సార్? దెన్ వెరీ సింపుల్ గైస్, we need to connect to second step, connect to database. Capturing is completed, connect to database. To connect to database, you know very well more than me guys. Class dot for name. What I need to write? Class dot for name.
my
Class dot
MySQL
for name. Right. Com dot MySQL dot
dot
CJ
CJ dot
dot JDBC dot.
JDBC dot driver.
Then you know very well connection on is assigned with driver
Driver
manager dot
manager dot get connection.
get connection on JDBC colon MySQL
MySQL
forward
colon
slashes local host
localhost double three
double
zero
three
six
double 306
zero six slash
database
home
name home username
root
password.
root.
Right. Sir, why are you getting these errors, sir? Because all these are present in java.sql. But am I imported java.sql? It is not a Java file, it is a JSP file. So write like this, import java.sql dot star. It won't work, guys. What I need to write, can any one of you give the answer, guys? Less than percentage at the
At
rate
the rate
page.
page
The attribute
import
is
equal to
import is equals to java.io dot
SQL
star comma java.sql dot star.
SQL dot star.
You can write any number, it's java.util dot star. మీకు ఎన్ని కావాలనుకుంటే అది రాస్తాం. How many packages you imported in the within the double quotes by keeping separated by comma. Any number of packages can be written by using separated by comma. Just see here comma. Okay. Now the error is gone. If you observe, error is gone. If I remove this, we'll get the error. Just look at here. You got the error or not? చూడండి అమ్మా ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందా రాలేదా? ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి
వచ్చింది సార్.
చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూడండి ఎర్రర్ పోయిందా లేదా?
Yes, sir.
Important this error gone, right? Do remember this. Then as you know that string query is assigned with delete from student where rule number, not rule number, yes, where employee number is student. Question marks, because we are working on this table, guys, employee table.
State.
Now, sir, what is our next task, sir? Prepare the query. Prepare statement. PST is assigned with con dot prepare statement.
Prepare
of-
statement.
Query is prepared. Now we need to set the values or not. How many question marks are there?
Only one.
Give the answer, guys. Only one. So how can we set the question marks? Each other. PST dot.
Set int of
What is the parameter number? This is one, right?
1 comma
One comma.
age.
Value is presented. Not
Age
age, guys. Not age. This is Employee number. Sorry, guys. Here I need to write.
Employee number.
Clear or not, guys?
Clear, sir.
So, PST dot. Why you are getting error? Is this anything wrong, guys? Here. What is the spelling of employee number?
Correct only, sir. EMP and
Okay, no problem. Got it. Then int n is assigned with PST dot. What I need to write, guys? Execute
execute
update.
update.
Then out dot. Very simple message. Out dot print of n plus
Records deleted.
records.
Deleted.
Deleted.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
No. This is end up. If you observe here, sir, here what is first step, sir? This capturing the data. This is first step, guys. Capture. This is connecting to database. This is second step, guys. Connecting to database. So this is as per our diagram. Based on employment, delete the record. This is third step. Based on employee number, delete the record from database. Last but not least, fourth one, display the message. Message to an beginner, okay, to a client, otherwise to a client. Save this file, guys. Already we copied the lib file, MySQL 8.jar file in the lib folder. Please start the Tomcat server, guys. And please do send the request for HTML, guys. HTTP localhost. What is our application name? Localhost 8.8.8.8. What is our application name,
EMS.
guys? Huh?
EMS.
EMS. What is our form name? HTML form name. D
DM
employee
perform
form dot
dot
is
HTML.
given some 11. Is there any 11 employee number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Now zero records deleted. We'll get as it's taking some time to send the request to server. Employee.jsp. What is our JSP name, guys? Just check over here. Wait for 1 second. Full name.
The employee, sir.
Employee. Employee.
Employee. But what I written here?
Student.
Student.
This is the problem, guys. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Students.
Right. Please start the server once again. The employee form.html 11. I'm giving as 11, guys. What is the output we'll get? Zero records deleted. Because there is no employee number with 101. How many records deleted?
Zero records. Zero records.
Or suppose I written 101. How many records will be deleted?
One record.
One record.
Sir, if I want to insert a record, what I should do, sir? Instead of DEMP, నేను చెప్పాను కదా క్రియేట్ కోసం ఏంటి
CEMP.
CEMP form dot
MPF.
CEEMP f dot html 101. Okay. దీక్షిత్.
So one even already exists.
లేదు, డిలీట్ చేశాను కదా ఇంతకుముందు డిలీట్ చేశాను కదా అబ్బా.
Okay, okay.
రైట్, ఓకే. 10,000.1 10 pies. One record inserted. Back 102. Okay. 10,000 point. Okay. 20,000.2. Back 103. Okay. 30,000.3. Now, if you check here, how many records are inserted, guys? If you want to delete a record, go for what I need to do. Chepanamma d employee form.html. I want to delete. Okay, for example, 101. I can write 101 and click delete. One record is deleted, isn't it? Guys, please.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubts, guys? Please let me know.
Yes,